Hey there, first grade. So today we are going to be learning about rhymes. And with rhymes is when we have certain sounds at the end of our words that sound the same. All right, so I'm going to say some words. I'm actually going to put a couple up on the board and we're going to go over those sounds at the end to see if they rhyme or if they do not rhyme. So my first word that I have that I'm going to put up on my board, and first before I do start though, I do want you to have a piece of paper. At some point we will start writing down on our piece of paper the rhymes and the words. But for right now, I want you to go ahead and grab that piece of paper, put me on pause, and then come back and press play again. So then you're able to work along with me. But for now, we are going to go ahead and just watch me do it. And then when I'm ready for you to go ahead and start writing, I will let you know. All right. So I have my first word and it is fan. All right. Fan and tan. So I'm writing these two words down. And remember, again, you're just watching this time. So fan and tan. Fan ends in the and sound. And same with the word tan. So both of these words, first grade, are rhyming words. And. We're just adding that beginning sound to them. So again, when you see a word that has the same ending sound, it is a rhyming word. All right? I'm going to go ahead and do another word, and then we're going to do one that does not rhyme. All right? So I have the word pan and ran. Now, first grade, I am doing these sounds that have the and sound, and you can do the words that have the at sound. Later on, we'll talk about that. But in spelling this unit, we are talking about the short A. So that's why I'm doing these sounds. All right? So pan and ran. If you think about it in your head, do these two rhyme? Do I have the same ending sound? Well, pan has the and sound at the end. Ran has the and sound at the end. So think about that. Do they both rhyme at the end? If you think yes, you are correct. Pan and ran do have the same ending sound. So they both are rhyming words. So I'm going to go ahead and try another word for you. If I have the word wrap and gnat. Wrap, gnat. Think about that. Wrap, gnat. Well, I know wrap, its ending sound is ap. What about gnat? My ending sound in gnat. The at sound. Is ap and at, are those the same ending sounds? They are not. So these are not rhyming words. They may have the a sound in it, but that ending p and t, they're not the same. So again, first grade, we're able to tell if words rhyme by their ending sound. Now I wrote them down for you on my whiteboard, and you can do the same when you're having trouble figuring that out on your piece of paper. But it's really important that we try to think about it in our head before we write it down. So I have some words for you, and we're gonna play a little game. And if they rhyme, I want you to put your hands together and I want you to clap. But if they don't rhyme, just keep your hands down. Don't clap. Remember, I'm going to give you two words. If they rhyme, give a nice clap. If they don't clap. My first two words are sad and bad. Sad, bad. I want you to think about that. Sad, bad. Do they sound like they rhyme? Do they have the same ending sound? If they do, give a clap. If they don't clap. Sad, bad. If you gave a clap, you're correct, because sad and bad end in the ad sound. And I'm going to show you real quick on my board. So sad and bad, they both end in that ad sound. So they do rhyme. Whoops, dropped my marker. All right. So my next one, first grade, I have is nap, pan. Remember, we want to think about that in our head before we write it down. Nap, pan. If you're having trouble, go ahead and write it down. This is the time that you can go ahead and use your writing utensils and your piece of paper for it. Nap, pan. Let's think about that. Remember, if it rhymes, give a clap. If it doesn't, don't clap. Nap, pan. Those do not rhyme. So you do not have to clap on that one. Nap and pan. What I want you to do, if you didn't write this down in first grade, is I want you to get that piece of paper and I want you to write these two words down. And I'm going to sound them out as I'm writing them to help me think of those sounds in the word to put them down on my paper or on my whiteboard. So nap, so then N, a, the A, the short A sound. Nap. My other word is pan. So I have that P sound again. An. A-N makes the an sound. So I want you to look those two words. Like I said, they don't rhyme. I have the out sound and I have the and sound. So they don't rhyme. Alrighty. This one's kind of fun because it's actually, you can put it into a whole entire word. And I guarantee you've heard of these two words before, even if we put them together. But this time we're going to put them a little separate. So my word is back and pack. Back, pack. What kind of word do you know that you can put those together? Backpack. So that could be something that you wear to school, a backpack. But this time we're doing it separate. So we're having the word back and the word pack. And I need to know, do they rhyme? If they do, give a good clap. If they don't clap. Back, pack. And remember, if you're having some trouble, you can go ahead and write it down. Back, pack. So I'm going to go ahead and write it down for you. Back and pack. Backpack. I see that ack sound in both my words. So you should have gave a clap. Backpack does rhyme. They are rhyming words. All right, first grade, we're going to do one more word. All right. So my two words are mad, let. Mad and let. Think about that first before you write it down. Mad, let. Do they rhyme? They do. Give a clap. They don't clap. Mad, let. Mad, let. If you've got your answer, keep it in your head, but I want you to go ahead and write it down on your piece of paper. Even if you don't need help and you already know it, still write it down. So mad, let. Your word should look like this. Mad, let. A, d, o, et. Mad ends in the ad sound, and let ends in the et sound. So they do not rhyme. Awesome job, first grade. So again, a rhyming word has the same ending sound as the other word, as another word. So the word, let's say, rag, flag, they have the same ending sound. So that makes them rhyming words. So this unit in spelling, we're going to be talking about rhyming words. So you just learned so much. So then you can start thinking as maybe you're looking through your words, hey, does that rhyme? Does that not rhyme? So now you know about rhyming words and how you can use them to spell, because If you have the same word like, let's say we just said flag and rag. So I have flag and I have rag. Well, I know they both end in the ag sound, so guess what? It's easier for me to spell and for me to read because I know that sound. In spelling, we're also going to be learning about the short A. So in my next video, I'm going to go ahead and talk to you guys a little about the different types of A sounds and the short A sounds. All right? All right, thanks.